If you have already built your product on an LLM, or you're right now building one and you're really deep into it, you need to stop here for a couple of minutes because there is a failure mode. My name is Khurram. I'm the founder of Kualitatem, which is a QA consulting company, and Kualitee, which is a test management platform. The failure mode in LLM products that is going to pass today, you will not see any problem in it, but the next week, without even touching the code, you will see that something is breaking. In this video, I will give you a 4-part framework for testing LLM products that holds up after the launch even, and not just before it. So, what's the number one thing? The number one point is that you need to define an acceptable behavior in writing. It doesn't have to be exact answers, but you need to define certain rules. For example, what the product must do when the LLM responds, what it must not be doing. What are those boundaries that you want to set around an LLM response as well? If it is not written down, you will never be able to test it properly, and hence traceability will not be there in the first place. The second part, build an evaluation set, a fixed library of inputs with known good outcomes that you run on every change. This is your regression suite for behavior, and without it, you will not really have clarity as to what is passing and what is failing. So the third part is that you need to test in production, not just at the staging level. Real users send inputs you or me don't know. We only get to know it after they have done it. So sample real interactions and then grade them continuously because the lab will never be able to match what is happening outdoors. The last part, monitor for drift. The provider updates, your prompt age, behavior moves. Watch all of your evaluation scores over time and catch the decline before your users are doing it. So the traditional QA, we have assumed that the system stays still, it doesn't really evolve unless we know it, but LLM products actually don't follow that pattern. They are already changing the more the LLM providers are shipping the updates. So if you're shipping anything LLM-powered, save this framework and pressure test it against your product and let me know what you think. Thank you.